good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to Coco Bear Show. And for today, we'll have an unboxing. Yeah, it's an unboxing. So, when you saw this unboxing, the live build was already done. Yeah, so I hope you watch my live build for this kit because we will have an ancient kit. Ancient, but no, it's not ancient, but it's rather very retro and very nostalgic because this is a kit from, I think it's 25 years from now, because it's today, it's already 2026 when I upload this. So yeah, so when you say 25 years, it means it started or released from 2001, and this kit is the this is your RGM-79GM EFSF Mass Productive Mobile Suit. And see that price, man, it's only 400 pesos, and it's a red tag right there, so it means it's also from Toyota, so it means this is a discounted one, and it's still sealed, nothing, okay? So yeah, and you can see that it's very ancient because it still have some dust, because I've gathered this at the very bottom of my Backlog Paradise. Yeah, the Backlog Paradise at my back. Yeah, the back at my studio yeah, or my man cave right here. So yeah, this is our RGM-79GM, and this is a mass-produced mobile suit, and I think this first of the GM that was released during the UC, because I also have another GM which is a different kind of GM, because the skirt is not like this. Okay, so yeah, so this is an old kit, so let's not expect too much of its articulation. Yeah, because it's 2001. You can see that it's already 2026, so this is already a 25-year kit, man. It's a 25-year kit. It's quarter of a century. Okay, so let's go to the box. So you can see here the box, the image of our 79GM or our RGM, and then at the side here you can see the rear and the front part of our GM. Okay, and then here name, and then some of the features of our GM. And because it's an old one, yeah, you still have those Japanese katakana, which I cannot read that. I don't know how to read that katakana. And then, okay, it doesn't have now the price, because even it's from 2001, the box is new, because it's, you can see that it's already a blue Bandai logo. Okay, so let's go and let's unbox this with the use of our hobby knife. Let's go, let's unbox. Okay, so we get all the tapes, and then I would like to flip it so that we can have first our instructional manual. But yeah, I forgot there's another one. Okay. Ooh, okay, let's open, let's flip, and let's see. Oops, let's see the contents of this kit. Okay, it's very old. I think I bought this last 2 or 3 years already, so it's been sitting on my Backlog Paradise for 2 to 3 years. Whoa. Okay, so this is their instruction manual. Very nice. Yeah, very old, nostalgic kind. Yeah, 2001. I'm still elementary, I think. Yeah. Oh, that's the instruction manual. We have a colored part also, which is very nice. And I think I need to color some other parts of here, because I don't know if it has some stickers for that. But you know me, I don't use too much stickers. Okay, so that's for the instruction manual. And then let's count how many packs we will have. So I'll put it here. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2. We only have 2. And we have some reminders on how to build a gunpla. Okay, so let's open the packs. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so we open it, and let's count how many runners we have. So here 1, 2, and 3. Wow. Yeah, we will have 3, man. So yeah, I would like to, I think we will have a very fast live build for this, because yeah, it's just 3. There are only 3 of it. Yeah, so I will just take this card or cardboards, because yeah, it's very easy to remember, because we only have this. Yeah, that's it. So I think this will be your A, your runner A, as I know, because runner A will always have that multicolored runner. So you can see there, you have the feet, the sole, the shield, the body, the red body, the cross. That's for the shield, man. And then I think that's for the, if it has a inner part or a frame or an inner frame, this will be the color of the frame. Okay, and we have that glossy clear green right there, and then we have this, which is, first I think that it would be white, but it's not, because at the box it's white, but it's not. It has this very whitish, do we have a color called whitish, something white green, off green, something like that, of color white right here, but it's not white literally, but it really matched to the tone of the UC universe of Gundam, which is the very first one, which it's really like this, because as I remember building in old Gundam RX-78-2, which also have this kind of color, tone of color, and very a little bit similar of the parts of the RX-78-2, because as I know, GM is also based on the RX-78-2 with its data, so they can have some kind of that unit. So the feet right here, the shield, even the backpack, it's very nostalgic, very like of the RX-78-2. Just the skirts, the skirt is not movable at all. The front and I think the side skirt can move. I think the back and the front can move also maybe, but you cannot divide it into two because it's only one. So yeah, and then this is the head, and then that's the part of the leg part, the torso, and some parts of it, and then the legendary the legendary PC or the polycups, which we use from, yeah, I think 3 decades ago until now. We're still using the polycups, but there are already new technology right now that some kits doesn't need polycups. They just go plastic to plastic to have that very tight, not very tight, but a little bit tight, which can secure the joints of our different new Gunplas. Okay, so yeah, that's our parts. Only 3. And technically it's only 2 because the polycups usually it's counted, but it's for just connection. But yeah, that's it. And then a foil sticker, that black foil sticker. I don't know where we should use this one, but yeah, I don't know if we need a paint, but I am really sure that I need to panel line this one. So that's it. So the next video, and yeah, before I'm telling you about the next video, I would like to get the box here. Okay. So that's it, our unboxing of this RGM79GM. Very normal, casual kind of kit, which if you want to have some many RGM79GM grand suits on your collection, which you want to have an army of this, you can really do it. Yeah, because I think you can make this. If you're not so fond of detailing the kits, then you can build this less than 2 hours or 3 hours or 1 hour maybe. If you're fast, you're done. Yeah. Woo! So maybe my live will be very fast. Okay, so that's for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so that you're informed for our next videos. Alright, that's it for now. Thank you so much. So it's already New Year, and I think it's already January 4 maybe, or 6 or 8. Maybe that's the time that I will upload this. I don't know when, but yeah. That's it. Thank you so much, guys. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jay De La Paz signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. That's it. Thank you so much. So peace out. Bye. Let's build and build.